Hi, I quickly want to demonstrate how the IKFK switch works. This trick is called Jill. She's from Anim Squad, available online if you take the school. So let's just run the UI here. I revamped it. So first you will see red, you're not ready. So the first thing we need to do is go to Setup Store Nodes. You do this once for the scene. You can bring it to another scene too, but then you can reuse the store node. And it's a simple click to switch between IK and FK. So to set it up, we're currently IK mode. So it's simplest is I click the buttons on what the controllers that I have selected. So I click the IK wrist. It says FK upper, FK lower, FK wrist, IK pole vector. Here is the pole vector. Hooked it up. Switch control. The switch control is the control where you switch between IK and FK. In this rig, it is this control, which you can see. So plug in the switch control and the switch attribute. All you need to do is highlight it in the channel box and hit switch attribute. And it will show up in here, switch attribute. What we need to define is, what does 0 mean? It says IK arm. So if this is at 0, we are in FK mode. So 0 is FK mode. Okay, cool. The range, some rigs have 0 to 10, 0 to 1. The script needs to know this. Here we see clearly it goes from 0 to 1. So all I did is 0 to 1. And of course we do the IK arms. So let's plug in FK upper, FK elbow, and we have the wrist. Sorry, I missed this one up. Okay, so once all those controls are set in, we just hit save update, and there's limb choice missing. Please choose right arm, left arm. Okay, so we have to define which arm it is. So this here is the left arm. It's smart enough to find it from selection if the naming convention is correct. Let's say I have nothing and I click from selected, it will clearly go to left arm because this rig has a nice naming convention. It all depends on your rig. So with anything selected, we just hit save update and we have successfully saved our first node. You have to do this for every side, for every limb once, and you get this like L-arm store node, which holds all your attributes, and from here on it's really easy to snap. So if you clear fields, it's empty, you just need to load it with anything selected and you get all your values back in case you need to make changes. But let's say we actually want to switch, right? So let's click load store node from selected. Oh, no store node found. So I haven't selected. That's actually a bend control. I just select anything that's like part of the arm. Let's say IK handle. If I click on, oh, green, store node found. Alright, now we are ready. So just holding on this pose. Ooh, it's an ugly pop. And what I've done here is I set the key on the switch here between one frame from, if you see it's probably small, from FK to IK, and you see it's big pop. So how do we fix this? Technically, if you go to switch to FK, this frame, there's already a keyframe, but let's say I delete this keyframe. Okay, if I switch to IK, switch between FK. So you have this switch. This switch basically just switches between the modes once you have your attributes. So it's kind of close to the pose. Let's say the arm. Just swings it like, whoa, okay. Swings it, and here's the pop. So see, switch IK FK is FK arm is a very different position. So as soon as I will hit, let's see, the IK pose is good, hit IKFK, bam, my FK pose lines up with my IK. So now if we go switch IKFK, you see those two line up as close as they can. Promise it's switching. Go to this pose. Let's say I want to switch to IK mode here. Alright, to do is switch FK to IK, and here we go. I am in my IK mode. So yeah, that's how simple it is.